Okay, so locking chats is now a feature of the WhatsApp application on the iPhone. If you cannot see it for whatever reason, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Check the App Store by typing in the WhatsApp name into the search and see if there's a new update available. Then any chat you get into has the ability to be locked. Just tap on the name of the person at the top, scroll through the options, and you'll see the button for locking the chats. So far, this seems to be pretty simple and understood by a lot of people. The problem usually comes when you then want to find the chat that you just locked. There's no folder or anything because the chat is not only locked, it's also hidden away. Anyway, to access it, what you need to do is to swipe down on the list of your existing chats. This will make the hidden folder appear. You can access it, but of course, an authentication is required for it. Then you can, of course, unlock the chat and return it back to normal, or you might keep it there if you wish to. So that's how it works in a nutshell. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. Also, consider subscribing to Foxtecc, as I publish this type of videos very often and you might find some of them useful. Thank you for watching.